Hey guys, welcome back to Claycraft. My name's Alexis.
My name's Cash, and today we're going to be making unicorn horns. We're thinking backbone makers might use these, and, because we know that they make a lot of unicorn stuff, and y'all should really go check out Bathcrack Unlimited. She has some pretty cool stuff. Okay, so the first thing we're going to make unicorn horn out of is different colored clay colors. So you're going to roll it up into a ball, and you're going to cut it up like so. Okay. Now you're going to roll it into a long piece, and you're going to follow the person next beside you. Okay. And you roll the other piece into a long piece, as long as you want, but you want to make them even. If they're not even, which mine are, you can cut them. Now you just pick them up, you twist them, and then you make a sharp end on whichever side you want. And if you want to, you can cut it off like that. This is mine. And this is hers, Alexis's. And this is hers too. Well, now we're going to make a white one, like so. Here's the front one. Okay, and then you cut it right in the middle. You get it, and it's like the colored one. You get it rolled out as long as you want.
Are you watching like a 1942 version of Jaws or something?
Okay, so right now I'm almost done. There's mine, and Alexis is almost done. That is big. No, for real, look how big hers is compared to mine. Put yours up here. Look how, no, mine's short. Yours is short and fat. That's true. Okay, so we're going to give you overhead look of our things, unicorn horns. Here's mine and here's hers. I know, right? There you go. Thank you guys for watching. Tomorrow we're gonna make not like a picture stand out of clay, and it will be real fun. See you tomorrow, guys. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.